What's good, guys? This is Baby Trades, and today I will do a short trade recap from today. Let's break it down. So, my bias for today was bearish actually, because we had an SMT with ES before market open. As you can see, ES took the highs right there, NQ don't, which makes us an SMT divergence. So, from that perspective, I want to see a short. I went to the 50-minute time frame to search for an entry. But as you can see, we were stuck in consolidation. So to trade from consolidation, you need to make a manipulation to a key level, like a fair value gap or to take a liquidity. And after you manipulate to the upside, you can continue to take opposite draws of liquidities. It's that easy. So it works like that. Consolidation, manipulation, continuation. That easy. So let's see. I had the consolidation right here, and the price manipulates into a 50-minute gap, and as you can see, we took a liquidity right there. So that setup is called turtle soup, which is one of my favorite setups, and it's the best. Okay, as you can see, we took the liquidity and we entered the gap at the 10 a.m. manipulation. So let's see it on the 1 minute. As you can see, manipulation, consolidation, manipulation, continuation. Okay, let's delete it. As you can see, 10 a.m. manipulation happens. We enter the 15-minute gap and we make an inversion fair value gap, a little one. So it's not the best, but we also did a change in state of delivery. So the setup was good, but not the best because the inversion was little. So it's not the best, but it's good. So I entered right there at the inversion fair value gap. My stop loss was there, and my target was the low right there. Okay, so as you can see, we entered from inversion fair value gap, and I went break even after we inversed that gap. Okay, so we also inversed the 2-minute fair value gap, as you can see, a larger one, and the 3-minute fair value gap. So the setup was good, but I got stopped at break even. As you can see, I went break even after we invested gap. So my idea was good because as you can see, we took the low and we also got the through the open and the London low. So the idea was great, but it happens. You will get a good setups and break even setup, or you can actually lose, but it's okay, it happens, and that's the market, and you will have the opportunity to do that every single day. So it's okay, and I hope you learned something from that, and I will see you next time. Peace.